Thanks for tuning into Iron Point Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you cool tips about your PS4 controller. First, if you want to navigate through your main menu, use the L1 and R1 buttons. If you push R1, you can go right into your game library. Next, if you want to log in secretively, hit the Options button before you sign in, and a prompt will show up saying you can appear offline when you log in. Next, if you want to start typing with the motion controls, hit the R3 button and then move your controller around to type. This next tip will allow you to switch between two open applications. If you're playing a game and want to go back to your messages, double tap and it'll open up the last application that you had open. Next, if you want to disconnect your controller, you can hold down your PS button for 10 seconds and it'll disconnect from your PS4. If you want to pair your controller with another device, hold the PS button and the share button down for 10 seconds and your PlayStation controller will be enabled to be paired to any other device. Next, if you want to charge your controller while in rest mode, you can go to your power settings and then go to supply power to USB ports, enable 3 hours and it'll charge your controller while it's in rest mode. And your controller will blink orange until it is fully charged. Now to save battery power on your controller, if you go into your controller settings, you can dim your light bar and you can also lower the volume control on your speaker. This will greatly save battery power. This next tip will allow you to zoom in on your screen. If you go to the accessibility settings and go to zoom and enable zoom, if you push the PS button and the square button, it'll zoom in on your PS4. And then just to back out, you hit circle and it'll back out. This last tip will allow you to create custom button assignments. If you want different buttons for different play styles for the games that you play, you can go into here and modify any of these button assignments. Those are all the tips and tricks I have for you for your PS4 controller. Please hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in.